Hi, and welcome to another video that I'm making especially for Valentine. So I created these little cut files and illustrations with bees and playing on the word bee there for a little bit, just amusing, myself with be my love and be mine and beautiful. And then I also made these cut files in heart. So if you bought the bee illustration collection already, then just go back and re-download them from the website, and they will be updated with these hard cut files and a few more things in there. Okay, so for these tags, I just started with plain white tags that I cut out of watercolor paper, and now I'm going to layer it just with this lovely pink paper with hearts on it. And when you look at it at an angle, they're slightly glimmer. They shine a little, so it's beautiful paper, and I just bought it from Michael's. And also the little bags that I'm going to use right at the end is also from Michael's. On these little tags, I'm not using any mixed media, so it's just paper and layers. And I'm just using double-sided tape, and I'm just going to adhere a piece of this beautiful hard paper to each tag. And then I'm going to place the pink label on each of them. And this is where I'm going to write my sentiment. If I want to write something on there, that's where I'll do it. And it will just be on the tag. So the tag will go into the bag, so you won't see the label or the written part from the outside. You have to take it out of the bag to see it. So I'm making 6 of these because I have 6 little different bees in my bee collection, and that is just such a fun way to work with these. And then I have these Heidi Swap flowers that I think she purposed it to layer them and to paint them, but I love the nakedness of it. And I'm just going to layer 2 of the florals on every page around the little hole on the tag, and I'm just going to use a pink like the pink detail on there. So the label sizes you can also find in the little bee collection cut files. I added the labels there with those little label circles as well. And now I'm just going to adhere all the flowers and the details with a little bit of hot glue, and that way the flowers won't fall off my label, which if you've just followed me for a little bit on Instagram or on YouTube, you'll know is one of my pet peeves is when things fall off the page, and that's why I love hot glue. So I'm just going to repeat the process to all 6 of these little tags. And now I'm just going to add little phrases that I print and cut. I actually made these myself from just in Photoshop. I just created them. It's just cute little love quotes, and I'm just going to stick one down on every little tag. My advice to you is to do this part last, because what happened was some of the bee illustrations covered the written words, and that annoyed me in a little. In the end, I should have placed them a little lower. But you know what? It's part of the process. So I'm choosing to just tell you what to do and not to do what I did. And you'll see now when I place my bees, because I had to place the bees rather high up, because I wanted them to be outside of the gift bag. So these little gift bags, like I've said before, I just bought them at Michael's. And I love them. So when I saw them, I thought to myself, what can I make to fit into them? And these little little tags was perfect. So that is really the extent of the tag itself. And now I'm just going to slide them into the little gift bags like that. And then I'm going to add a candy bar as well. And don't you think it's just a perfect little gift for any coworker or school teacher or child or Valentine? You know, I think it's just so cute. There's 6 little bags in each packet. They come in 6 from Michaels. The pink with love, and I couldn't love it more. So what I'll do now is I'll just go and handwrite a personal note to everyone that I'm giving it to, and then I also, you'll see in the next shot, I found these candy bars, and they're perfect because they're shiny. And I just bought them, and they were like $1 each, and I decided to just add them to my gift. You can see there Hershey's, and it's actually quite nice, like a caramel flavored candy bar with pretzels, and it's really good. I had to taste one. So I love the gold shimmer of the candy bar, so that's lovely if you just add that in. And there you go, perfect little gifts. So I really made your Valentine so easy this year. You cannot complain. And here's the final product with the little tag, and then just the little gift with that. So thank you so much for watching, and you can find all the downloads and all the digital downloads on iheartstudio.ca, or the link is in the description below. And thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.